Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pretty small guest haul for you guys. I got some really cute stuff. I recently actually got a couple things from Guess for Christmas. My mom got me them and they're so cute, but I wanted to start off with those. I did put some Guess clothes on my Christmas list this year. I am actually falling in love with Guess recently. I love Bebe and I love Guess. I don't know what it is, I've just always loved the brands. But some of the stuff inspired me to get some more stuff from Guess. But for Christmas, first I got this white vest. It's so cute, I love how it says Guess all in here. I'm actually wearing that vest tonight. It's actually New Year's Eve right now. So you guys are probably gonna see this in 2022. So if so, Happy New Year. And I was also gifted this sweater. So cute. And I also got these boots, which are really cute. This is what they look like. They're so adorable. These were literally on my favorite list for Christmas. These are so pretty and I'm so happy that I actually got them. I love the rhinestone logo moment that's going on the belt, I guess I would say, of this shoe. It's so cute. These are literally my babies. I'm so in love with these. And then lastly, this pink Guess logo t-shirt, so cute as well. But yeah, I got all of that from Christmas from my mom, so thank you, Mom. But yeah, getting those Guess clothes from Christmas inspired me to get a couple more things from Guess, and I am going to be doing an unboxing with you guys on camera, so if you are interested, please keep on watching. So here is the box. It's not that big, you know, it is a little bit small. I did actually get a free gift in here as well because I hit some sort of limit or whatever. So let's just open this box up. Hope everything isn't too jam-packed in here. Okay, so it actually comes a really cute box. It does say Guess right there, and it does have all the stuff in this cute wrapping paper. I want to take a thumbnail with it. So this is what I actually got for free. I believe it was with a $100 order. It actually was my birthday a couple days ago, so I decided to splurge a little bit. But this was the free tote bag. It just says Guess on it and it's in black. It is super cute. And yeah, it's just a nice tote bag. Oh, it does have a zipper, I see. It actually is a nice size. I will definitely use this. It is very simple and stuff, but it's cute. It's Guess. Okay, oh my goodness, I am so excited about this one. So seriously, this was the most anticipated thing that I bought. Oh my goodness. So this one was actually on my Christmas list as well, but I didn't end up getting it. I obviously got that white one instead, but oh my goodness, I still absolutely needed this brown one. It is so cute. I love the fur neck that's right there, and it's a nude latex material. It's so cute. The inside is just a normal I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's just that smooth basic material. Not quite sure what is attached to it. I will have to look at that, but it does have all of the hardware on it wrapped, so I guess they all just have Guess on it. So cute. I absolutely love the nude color with the gold accents. It's so gorgeous. That is just so pretty. I'm so in love with this. I'm actually obsessed. So yeah, that is that vest. That was actually quite expensive as well. It was $79. But thankfully, literally Guess has so many different promo codes. So I did use, I think it was 20% off, I believe. I know you can get 15% off with text. And I think there's 20 or 15% off with emails. But if you also go on their app or whatever, they will give you another promo code as well. So they're just handing out promo codes, I guess. But on to the next thing. I got this Guess t-shirt. I believe it was called the Iris tee. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the sticker off right now. So this is what it looks like. So on here it's a rose gold color that says Guess, and then it has all of these cute iridescent rhinestones all over. It's so cute, and it's kind of in a square or box kind of design. And yeah, it's just a basic short sleeve t-shirt. It definitely is a little bit see-through, but if you wear a nude bra with it, it should be fine. But yeah, I actually really like this t-shirt. It's so cute. I just love all the rhinestones and stuff. I love stuff that's all cute and shiny. And this t-shirt was on sale as well, so I snatched that up. I think it was like around $20-ish. So next I got this bodysuit. So this bodysuit, it's a little bit like latexy as well. It's definitely like a fake leather, not like latex, a fake leather kind of material. And then obviously it's like a tank top. As you can see, it has spaghetti straps. They are adjustable on the back, as you could see. But yeah, this is a bodysuit, and this is what the buttons look like. So they're actually pretty nice. Definitely can't complain. And then the main feature of this bodysuit is the zipper in the front. It actually does zipper up and down, as you could see. And the boob part isn't like padded or anything. It's just, you know, it has some shape to it, but it's not padded. But it's still really cute. You could probably, if you have like, you know, if you have small biddies like me, you could probably get away without wearing a bra. And there is a piece of like hardware on the back, which is really cute. And yeah, it just feels like super nice quality. I'm really happy with this. This is definitely a good top to wear during the summer. So that's when I will be pulling this out. I forget how much I paid for it, but I will put it up on the screen. But yeah, that bodysuit is so cute. Now, lastly, I just got two little pieces of jewelry. First, I'm gonna go into this gold one. And this is what it all looks like. So this retailed for $14.99. Not too bad, especially if you can get it on sale. And it just has all of these cute charms on it. It is so adorable and just so like gold, and just has a bunch of rhinestones on it. This is probably like a little bit gaudy for some people, but I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with it, actually. I love all of the G's and stuff, and my name is Gina, so I love all of the G's on it. So let me try and put this on for you guys. It does have this clip right here. My wrists are small, so I'm interested to see how this fits. Oh wow, so it actually does fit very nicely on my wrist. As you can see, there isn't too much room underneath it, so yeah, there's definitely room to move, but it's definitely not going anywhere, and it doesn't go that far down my arm either. It's actually a perfect length for me. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm actually like so happy with this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this bracelet. Hopefully it doesn't rust or anything like that too quickly. Obviously, you know, like fake jewelry, I guess you would say, can rust if it ever comes in contact with like water and stuff like that. Or it could just look a little gross. But yeah, this bracelet is actually so cute, and I'm so excited to wear this out whenever I decide to. I definitely want to wear it with like a vest, because they both have like gold accents to it. Like, I feel like this would be just so cute, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is this bracelet. And then lastly is this rhinestone bracelet. This is actually really cheap. This is only $6.99. So it's just this rhinestone bracelet that's just on this like rubber band or whatever, and then it has a little charm on it that says Guess Los Angeles, if you can see. But yeah, I bought this to match with the bodysuit because it had rose gold accents. So yeah, I bought this just little bracelet just to go with it, and as you can see, it just matches the tone a little bit. Instead of some of the silver bracelets that I have, and obviously the gold one, they don't really match. So yeah, I just bought this rose gold Guess bracelet. And I love me some shiny rhinestones, so that's what I got here. So yeah, oh my goodness, that is it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys also shop from Guess. I am so obsessed with everything that I got, and of course all the stuff that I got from Christmas. But yeah, as always, I hope you guys are having a good rest of your day or night. And if you are seeing this in 2022, I hope you guys are having a great new year. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.